Hello guys, welcome to a Tactical Life Food Review. It's been a while, I know. So we got Mrs. Freshleys, Icers, vanilla, something I guess cakes, thingies. They're very cheap, like $1 or cheaper, or 40 cents, I don't know. So let's open them up and try them out together for the first time on this review. So what you get is 3 cakes, just like so. They smell like cupcakes. Do it taste like cupcakes? Kinda. But very good though. But they could do away with this, whatever this kind of ice is. It's like more of a gel. I think, actually pretty sweet. I think a regular type of ice would have been awesome. Whatever this kind is, still okay, but regular ice been way better. All in all, what would I give Mrs. Freshleys Icers? 1 out of 10, guys. They are 3. They fall short, but they are okay. You can eat them, and hopefully not die. They are okay. So I hope you enjoyed this Tactical Life food review. Check my channel out for more review videos and different content. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, because on the making this video we're almost to 1,500 subscribers. Appreciate it if you do. If you are a subscriber and you're watching this video, thank you. I appreciate you for watching. Drop a comment section below. Love to hear from you. Until the next video, I'll see you then.